Hi parents and first graders, I wanted to show you how to log into Raz-Kids using your computer. So the first step is that we have to go to razkids.com, then click on the green Kids Login button. The username is EYOO4, then find your name and then put in your password. So I'm going to find the link or type in the link here. And here I'm going to go into Kids Login. Teacher username is EYOO4. Press go. Once you're here, I am going to just click on someone's name. You will click on your own name only, and then your password. Go. Then you'll go to the spaceship reading room. And then go to your leveled books. These books are the books that you need to practice and are on your level. And then from here, these are the books that you can listen to, read, and answer questions. To make this a bookmarks tab, what you will need to do is you will just need to make this star blue again, and then rename it to Raz-Kids. And in the folder, make sure that it's a bookmarks bar. Press done. So that if you open up another tab, you now have Class Dojo and Raz-Kids one click away. Alright, thanks for watching.